watching. I am really privileged to introduce myself to you as the founder of Nugu Shea Butter. My name is Mrs. Blessing Njoh, and I decided to start this natural skincare line 2 years ago after I had my baby. I would like to share a very personal experience with you. Just a few days after he was born, we discovered that he had a very rare skin condition and we didn't understand what it was. So we decided to take him over to the doctors, and when they saw him, they also weren't really sure what it was. They thought it might have been eczema, so they prescribed a few things for us to use, which we did, and they asked us to come back after a few days if we don't notice any improvements. And unfortunately, we did not see improvements after about 5 to 6 days. So we went back to the doctors, and our doctor was not around at the time, so we got to see another doctor. After he examined my baby, he said that this could be ringworm. So he prescribed yet another medication, which we administered for over 2 weeks, and his skin didn't get any better. So we were really worried until someone suggested that we should go natural. So that is how the idea of applying shea butter on his skin came into play. After I started to use this product on my baby, just a few days later, miraculously, his skin started to become very clear. And just about a week after the very first application, his skin condition was totally gone. And that made me realize that I had a magic product right in front of me. So I, ever since then, have been using this product on my baby, and his skin right now, he's almost 2 years old, by the way. His skin, I always say, looks like butter. And this product has also been very helpful to me because I used to have receding edges. My edges would break, they were weak, until I started to use Nugu Shea Butter, and now I can really see the impact. I can see that my edges have started to grow strong and grow out all over again. But before I let you go today, I would like to mention just a few benefits of Nugu Shea Butter to you. So Nugu Shea Butter is traditionally extracted from the nuts of the shea tree, which is also called the karita tree or the tree of life. This product is 100% organic, it is pure, it has not been processed chemically, it doesn't contain additives nor perfumes, it is fresh and pure from the tree. And it is a well-known fact that shea butter contains a high level of vitamins A, E, F, and of course very essential fatty acids that are useful to our skin and our scalp. Now, vitamin A stimulates cell division and the production of collagen. Vitamin A also tightens the pores of our skin and therefore reduces acne breakout. Vitamin E is a natural antioxidant which deeply moisturizes the skin, leaving the skin soft and supple. It also protects the hair against ultraviolet rays, while vitamin F helps hydrate the skin. Okay, so now you might be wondering, why Nugu Shea Butter? What do I benefit from applying this onto my skin or to my hair? Now here's what I'm going to tell you. Apart from the fact that this is 100% pure and organic, this product also helps you solve a wide range of skin problems and conditions such as stretch marks, wrinkles, acne breakout, eczema, dark spots, and many more. And apart from that, shea butter is excellent in soothing muscle and joint aches. It also helps reduce scalp irritations such as dandruff, and also excellent for repairing damaged hair caused by curling irons or other forms of extreme heating of the hair. It is very important to note that these products have not been tested on animals. They are free from synthetic colors, fragrances, preservatives, and parabens. So you might be wondering how you can lay your hands on one of these cups. I am glad to inform you that we do have an Instagram and Facebook account where you can send me a message personally and place your order. 1 cup of Nugu Shea Butter contains 200 ml and it goes for just $5.95. That is actually a discounted price, and we are going to be giving it away at that price for the next 6 months because we are just opening. So we are trying to take it one step at a time. I would like to really receive your messages through Instagram and Facebook telling me how many of these amazing cups you would like to have. They are magical products. I can testify to that. I have seen it work on my son and I have seen it work on myself. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you on my next one.